Traditionally, rasam is an integral part of lunch or supper in most South Indian homes. You will need to collect pepper, cumin seeds, hing, salt, rasam powder, curry leaves, and black mustard seeds. In addition, you'll need some cooked Toor Dhal, tamarind extract, cilantro, and a small tomato. You also need a tablespoon of jaggery. Every Indian family has its own unique blend of spices that they use for their rasam powder. But for this recipe, I will be using a commercial brand of the MTR Rasam Powder, as it most closely approaches our family recipe. Use a mortar and pestle to coarsely crush the black pepper, cumin seeds, and the hing. As you can see, I have crushed it just enough to release the flavors, but it's still coarse. Decant the cooked Toor Dhal into a small pot. A quick tip: pre-cook your Toor Dhal and store it in your freezer in 1 cup portions. Add about 2 cups of water and whisk it well to blend all the ingredients into a smooth texture. Bring the lentil water to a boil. I have ready my crushed black pepper and cumin. I forgot to mention you need about a tablespoon of jaggery, your salt, your MTR Rasam Powder. I've also got my tamarind sauce ready and my chopped tomatoes. Into the boiling lentil water, add in the crushed black pepper cumin mixture, your jaggery, the salt, the MTR Rasam Powder, pour in the tamarind extract, about 3 tablespoons or so, and the chopped tomatoes. Stir the mixture gently and bring it to a boil. Keep a close eye on it because it will boil and foam, and the foam can spill over the edges of your pot. Lower the heat to medium-low and allow it to simmer for about 5 to 10 minutes. You can now add the freshly chopped cilantro. This is a good time to do a quick taste test to see if the salt is proportionate to the tamarind and rasam powder. Every type of rasam powder has a different level of hotness, so you may have to adjust accordingly. Now we're going to prepare the final tadka by heating a tablespoon of olive oil in a separate pan and then adding the mustard seeds, curry leaves, and allowing the whole mixture to pop. Once the rasam is cooked, turn off the heat and pour in the tadka onto the rasam. Many of my friends love to drink this rasam as if it's a light and tasty soup. But traditionally, this rasam is served by pouring it on top of hot fresh rice and maybe with a side of bananas or mangoes to complement its spicy flavors.